Are you a technician out there working on a plugged drain, or are you just somebody sitting around wanting to watch some dang good videos? Either way, you came to the right place. Welcome to Wiles HVAC and Stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to Wiles HVAC and Stuff. Today just wanted to do a quick video on furnace drains. It's one of those things that gets forgotten quite often, but it is a very important part to your furnace. Any 90 plus efficient furnace does have drains for its condensate, so we have to make sure that they're free flowing and the water's getting away like it's supposed to. So let's check it out and see what it takes to get those clean. Depending on your furnace, your brand, or your model, they're all going to be a little bit different as far as layout. This is how this one happens to be, but some of them have drains on the inducer themselves. Some of them will have multiple drains on the collectors. It just depends. But this one in particular, we've got these little hose clamps on there. Just loosen them. The drains will come loose. You can take them off on both ends. And see, actually this one needs to be cleaned. See how, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is some junk down in there. Stuff that builds up in there. Could be part of bugs came in from outside or anything like that. But either way, we've got some junk in there. You need to take these tubes off. And like I said, all you got to do is take these clamps off with a pair of pliers. The tubes will slide off of there. All your plastic pieces, rubber pieces with the hose, take those out. Rinse them out in your sink or in a faucet outside, anything like that. Rinse them out, make sure they're clear. Same as these drain traps on the side. You want to make sure that they are rinsed out and cleaned because they are open, so you know they can always get something in there. They can get algae buildup in there. Pull these tubes out, make sure everything's clean. Rinse it all in a sink and put it all back together. And that's pretty much all there is to the drains, but it is one of those important things that people forget. Like I said, anytime you're doing a maintenance or service check on any kind of high efficiency furnace, those drains have to be checked and cleared. If those drains do back up and that water can't get away, it backs up in the collector box, or it'll build up and get down into the inducer. At that point, we're not moving that enough air through that inducer, and the pressure switches will pick that up and shut the furnace down, which we'll have another video on checking pressure switches. But as far as that water backing up, that's what happens. That's how that furnace knows that there's an issue. So always clean your drains and should be good to go. So that's pretty much all there is. We just wanted to do a short video on the drains themselves because it is one of those things that's forgotten. So make sure you clean your drains. Please like and subscribe. Any of the videos that you see, leave comments down below. Let us know what you think. Thank you and God bless.